Okay, this is the winter blast for January today. Hi, Farah. Kids going out to school. Can you believe it? This weather is so bad. The rain, the snow is all over the place, and the kids going to school. Stay here, Khalil. Come, don't go. You stay here. Anyway, I'm trying to get to my car. It's a second snowstorm. This is the next winter blast we're on. Hi, Khalil. You like the snow? You're buried. We have to go to school. You believe that? School is here today. Anyway, I'm going to my car. And the snow is all over. You have a snowstorm, a blizzard, everything here. Anyway, I'm trying to go to my car. Wow, there it is. Half berry. And I hope they do a better job this time, because from the last time it was all messy. And the road isn't clean for days. But now it looks like the city bus is on the Union Turnpike there, so it's clean. Okay, let's go to my car. I have to take this kid to school. Look at him, half buried in the snow. And they have school today in New York here. It's about nearly, I would say about 10 inches to a foot of snow here. Hi, get back here. Anyway, my car is over there, so I'm going to get my car. Hi, Carly, come back here. And just taking out some pictures. This is my other car. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. So I'm trying now to get this car cleaned up. Anyway, I don't know if I'll get this car out to take this kid to school. Wow, it's terrible out here. Anyway, I'm taking out, here I am trying to get to my car, so I'll see you all another time. Bye. Have a good day until we have another storm that you'll be seeing me again out here. The whole black is all in there. Okay, that's it.